If you have a purple queen and you would like it to look a little bit more like this one, you have come to the right place. The purple queen, also known as the wandering Jew or the walking Jew, and my favorite, the purple heart, and the scientific name is Tradescantia pallida. It is called a wandering Jew due to its hyper-adaptability and its tendency to grow easily and quickly. But just make sure you keep this plant in check, because it is an invasive plant and it will grow quickly and it will put you in checkmate. They were first found in eastern Mexico, which makes sense because they thrive in full sunlight. But if you want them to grow inside your house, don't worry, they can grow in partial shade as well. Fun fact, if you want to grow the purple queen inside your house, they make great air purifiers. The purple queen is an evergreen, or should I say an ever-purple plant, which means they stay purple throughout the winter and summer, but with a little bit direct sunlight, the leaves will turn a bit more green, like this one. But don't worry, they will still produce that cute little pink flower that'll only last for a day or two. When it comes to watering, these guys can handle a bit of neglect. My kind of plant, right? So only water them once a week in the summer and even less in the winter. Now, if you are really struggling to grow these guys, you can fertilize them. Eggshells provide calcium, which is great for their growth, but only give it to them in their active growing months. Now let's talk about propagation. I water propagated this a few weeks back, and this is my results so far. If you would like to try and propagate it yourself, water propagate it, you are welcome to go check out that video. I will try to leave a link somewhere. And water propagation isn't the only way you can propagate these guys. They propagate very easily. You can soil propagate them as well. I will do some of them with you. All you have to do is cut a few stems, remove the bottom leaves. I'm actually going to split this, and then I can plant two. Maybe take another one, like that, and like that. And all you have to do is put them in the ground. Make sure it is well draining soil. Purple queen is still a succulent and they do not like to lie in water. And if you can, make sure the node is in the ground as well. Nice and deep. One more. And just a bit of water. And maybe just give it like 2 to 3 weeks and they will start growing. You will see new leaves, or you will see a flower, and they will grow. You can use seeds to grow these guys, but it's so easy to grow them. Just stick a few of them in the ground. I really do hope this video helped you in some way. Please let me know in the comments below if you would like to try the water propagation and how it went for you. If you would like to check out more videos like this, I'm trying to put one up every week. Okay guys, have a nice planting week. See you next time.